Hello students, this is D.N.Sinha and you are watching D.N.Sinha Smart Classes. As you all know that your examination is near to you and you all are working hard and hard to get more and more marks. For this you need some support of important MCQ question answer which I am trying to provide you. Now I am going to give you MCQ based question answer one by one. Get ready and listen carefully. This will definitely help you towards your goal which you have set in your mind. Now the time for question answer. So let us start. Very first question is coming to you and the question is, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through, and the options are A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Tripura. Here the answer will be Odisha. The things which we have to remember is Tropic of Cancer and associated important matters. Tropic of Cancer passes midway of our country and it divides our country into two equal parts, Northern India and Southern India. Likewise, it passes through 8 states of our country, and from west to east, one by one we should remember various states which are important through which Tropic of Cancer passes. They are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. So these are the 8 states. So this type of question can easily be solved by this trick. Just remember me these 2 points. Now the another question number 2 is, the easternmost longitude of India is, options are A. 97 degree 25 minute east, B. 68 degree 7 minute east, C. 77 degree 6 minute east, D. 82 degree 32 minute east. Here the answer will be 92 degree 30 minute east. It's a easternmost longitude. Question is asked for easternmost longitude. So it passes from easternmost part, touching the point Teju, which is located as the easternmost point of our country, of Arunachal Pradesh. And another question can also be asked, which is the westernmost. So westernmost longitude which passes the western point of our country, which is located in Gujarat, and the place is Jamnagar. So the longitude which passes Jamnagar, just touching Jamnagar as a stern point, is 68 degree 7 minute east. So these 2 points should also remember for further questions if asked. Now the next question number 3 is, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier with. This is very important question. Options are A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Myanmar. Right answer is Nepal. For this, the students should at least go through, at least watch maps, our country and the whole world. Basically our country and associated neighboring countries on which touch the land boundary and water boundary from of North and South India. Okay, so this is important, and by this way this type of question can easily be solved. Now the next question is, if you intend to visit Kavaratti during summer vacations, which one of the following UT, means Union Territory of India, you will be going to? Here the options are A. Puducherry. Puducherry is the new name of Pondicherry. B. Lakshadweep. C. Andaman Nicobar Islands. D. Daman and Diu. Here the answer will be Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Amini Divi, Minikai, Kalpeni. There are 3 islands. You should also remember for that, because this type of questions associated with islands can also be asked in the examination. So these are the important points. And Lakshadweep, Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep, and Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island groups. So remember these points and also associated matters. Now the another question is question number 5, and the question is, my friends hails from a country which doesn't share land boundary with India. Identify the country. And the options are A. Bhutan, B. Tajikistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Nepal. Here the answer will be option B, Tajikistan. For this, students should arrange map of India and the map of India with reference to the world also, so that each and every country which are sharing land boundary with her country, water body with her country, that should be known. So the student must arrange maps and go through each and every matter. I would like to tell you that 7 countries share land boundary with our country. They are Pakistan in the northwest, China in the north, Nepal in the middle north, Bhutan in the northeast, Myanmar in the extreme northeast, Bangladesh in the east. And 2 countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives, they are separated with our country through water body. Now the next question, question number 6 is coming, and the question is, India is located in which hemisphere? Hemisphere means half of the earth. India is located in which hemisphere? Here options are A. Northeastern hemisphere, B. Northwestern hemisphere, C. Northeastern hemisphere, D. Southwestern hemisphere. For this, students should do like this. Suppose this is globe and we put here tropic of Cancer, equator. We put here equator. We draw equator here. So the half part of the earth lying north to the equator known as northern hemisphere, and the remaining half part lying south to the equator known as southern hemisphere. So India lies in northern hemisphere, no doubt. But when we draw, we put here prime meridian, then this is the exact location of our country under this hemisphere. For instance, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Okay, so this hemisphere which is lying between north and east. So this is northeastern hemisphere, and EH, northeastern hemisphere. So this will be the answer. Here we have to find northeastern hemisphere. Option A, northeastern hemisphere. So by this way, student will correct their answer. So this is the tip for this type of these are tips for this type of question. Now the next question is question number 7, and the question is, numbers of longitudes present between western point 68 degrees 7 minutes east to eastern point 97 degree 25 minutes. It means 68 degrees 7 minute east. It's a longitude which passes extreme west, touches Jamnagar, located in Gujarat. So it passes through that. Thereafter 97 degree 25 minutes east, it passes extreme east of our country, just touching Teju, located in Arunachal Pradesh. So what we have to do here? Options are A 27, B 28 degree 4 minute, C 29 degree 2 minute, D 29 degree 18 minute. For this we will subtract 97 degree 25 minute to 68 degree 7 minute, and we get 29 degree 18 minute. So this will be the answer. So we have to find it. We find here in D, 29 degree 18 minute. So this is the exact difference between eastern and western longitude of our country. Generally we say that it is approximately 30 degree. It means this is the difference between eastern and western longitudes. Now next question is coming, question number 8. Arrange the states from west to east on Tropic of Cancer. On Tropic of Cancer we have to arrange the states. Actually 8 states are there. because Tropic of Cancer passes 8 states of our country, 8 states of our country. So we have to know from west to east and east to west, because question can also fall here from west to east and east to west also. So as per the question, west to end we have to arrange. Let us study which states are given. R. Rajasthan, X. Chhattisgarh, Y. Gujarat, Z. Tripura. So very first, as we know that very first which states comes in the west, extreme west on the Tropic of Cancer, that is Gujarat. So we have to find where Gujarat. Gujarat is here. So this is Y. So where is Y? In B option and only in B option. So I think that this will be the answer, but let's see. So Gujarat, thereafter Rajasthan means R, thereafter Chhattisgarh X, and thereafter Tripura Z. It means option B is here the answer. Option B is here the answer. This is very, very important question, and this is a complex question. For this you have to remember various 8 states of our country through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Earlier I told that very first Gujarat, thereafter Rajasthan, thereafter Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then Tripura, and finally Mizoram. So these are the states which you have to remember, and by this way you will get tremendous marks. Now the another question number 9 is, what is the shape of our country India? A, options are A, triangular, B, quadrilateral, C, rectangular, D, hexagonal. For this we have to put some points. Northern point, this is Indira Call, located in Jammu Kashmir. Now southern point, Kanyakumari. It's the southern point of the mainland. Question also falls from here. Which is the southern point? It lies in Tamil Nadu, and it's the southern point of the mainland of our country, not the country, on the mainland of the country. Because southern point of our country is Indira Point, and this time it has submerged under water due to coming of tsunami in 2004. So this is southern point, and this is eastern point. It is Teji, located in Arunachal Pradesh, and this is western point Jamnagar, located in Gujarat. So we draw, just putting these points, 4 points in the extreme north, extreme south, extreme west, extreme east. If we draw a line, okay, between these points like this, then we get a shape of quadrilateral feature. So this is a quadrilateral feature comes to us. So India is the shape of our country. India is quadrilateral. Okay, just adjoining eastern, northern, southern, eastern, and western points of our country. So here the answer will be option B, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is the right answer here. Now the next question is question number 10. India occupies how much percentage of land of the total geographical land of the world? It's a straightforward question. Right answer is option C, 2.4%. Just mention this. Thereafter, question number 11. What is the area of India in millions square kilometer? It is 3.28 million square kilometer. Option B is the right answer here. Okay, straightforward answer. Now, next question, question number 12. What is the position of India in terms of size in the world? In terms of size in the world, it is 5th largest country of the world. First largest country of the world is US. First largest country of the world is Russia. Second largest country is Canada. Third one is USA. Fourth one is China. Fifth number Brazil. Sixth number Australia. Seventh number our country India. So the position of our country in terms of size is 5th in the whole world. Now the next question, question number 13. Which is the largest state of our country? India. Options are A. UP, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. Here the answer will be option C, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state of our country. If we have to arrange larger to smaller, it means if we have to arrange the states in descending order, then I have a trick, and if you follow trick, then definitely you will solve various questions. Suppose arrange the states larger to smaller, or which is the second largest state of our country, or third largest state of our country, and so on. So here take the diagram. Okay, here you just put arrow. This is Rajasthan. Thereafter this is here Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, thereafter Maharashtra, thereafter Maharashtra to Uttar Pradesh. So you can use this arrow. Through this arrow, Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh to Maharashtra, and Maharashtra to Uttar Pradesh. So if you remember this diagram through arrow, then definitely you can solve various questions related to ascending and descending order. Now the next question is question number 14. Which is the largest union territory of our country? Which is the largest union territory of our country? Options are A. Andaman Nicobar Islands, B. Ladakh, C. Jammu Kashmir, D. Lakshadweep. Here the answer will be option B. Option B will be the answer. Ladakh. Ladakh is called the largest union territory of our country, whereas the smallest union territory of our country today is Lakshadweep. So Ladakh is the largest and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of our country. I would like to tell you that there was time when Andaman Nicobar was the largest state of our country, but just after the separation, okay, of Jammu Kashmir into conversion of Jammu Kashmir into union territories, then two union territories came out from the whole Jammu Kashmir, and they are Ladakh, the largest union territory this time has become, and second one is Jammu Kashmir. So second one, Jammu Kashmir is the second largest union territory, and Andaman Nicobar is the third largest, whereas Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of our country. So these are the important other questions you can solve from here in this class, through this class. Now the next question is question number 15. Which is the standard meridian of India from where time is managed in the whole country? And the options are here: A. 68 degree 7 minute east longitude, 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, C. 97 degree 25 minute east longitude, D. none of these. Here the answer will be option B. Option B is the answer here. Option B, 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. I would like to tell you here that 82 degree 30 minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. It is called the IXth. It passes midway of our country between eastern longitude and western longitude of our country. Means 97 degree 30 minute, 97 degree 25 minute east longitude, and 60 degree 7 minute western longitude. So it passes midway between both of them, and it passes through 8 states. It passes through 5 states of our country. The 5 states are the major. Those 5 states are UP, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Those states are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. So it passes through 5 states, and 82 to 30 minute east longitude, which is the standard meridian IXth. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and Mirzapur is a headquarter from where time is managed. Actually, the local time of Mirzapur means on 82 to 30 minutes is considered the time of the whole country. As we know that there is time lag of 2 hours from eastern and from western, from eastern to western longitudes. Means Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. The time of 2 lakhs means 2 hours difference. So time is taken from here because 1 hour towards east and west can be minimized. So the time of Mirzapur is the time of the whole country on this very longitude. Now the next question is coming, and the question is Suez, question number 16. Suez Canal was opened in which of the following year? Suez Canal is opened. Suez Canal was opened in which of the following year? And the options are A 1851, B 1862, C 1869, D 1874. Here the answer will be C, option C. Option C is the answer here, 1869. So it was opened in 1869. I would like to tell you that Suez Canal is located in between Asia and Africa. Asia and Africa. Actually, there was a isthmus there. Okay, isthmus is a narrow strip of land which adjoined. Okay, which adjoined Asia and Africa. So that isthmus, narrow strip of land, was cut, and when it was cut, then Suez Canal came into existence. So just after opening Suez Canal, means cutting that isthmus, it could possible for our country to go directly towards the European countries as well as American countries, and it has reduced approximately 7,000 kilometers sea route, and that's why this time trade and commerce is very easy, has become easy for we people. We can perform trade directly with European countries. This time, just after opening this, we haven't to go through the Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope was located in South Africa. It means southern tip of Africa. Africa is the second largest continent.